Check out this breakfast slider. It's a Hawaiian roll, cooked eggs, bacon, 2 kinds of cheeses, and maple syrup and butter on top. It looks delicious. I know you want it, and now I'm going to show you how to make it. This is the deliciousness, and now here are the ingredients. We've got maple syrup. This is your bacon. We went thick cut. Here's your rolls, of course, Kings Hawaiian rolls. Butter. We have 2 types of cheeses. Today I'm using American and Havarti. We've got salt and pepper, 6 eggs, sour cream, and today I'm going to top it with poppy seeds. Let me get them out first.
I'm recording.
Oh, okay. The most difficult part of the recipe is trying to cut these Hawaiian sliders evenly across. Even if they're slightly off a little bit, we'll do our best. But before I can put them in the pan, I recommend spraying it so they don't stick. Oh, and I got this recipe from Jessica O'Donoghue. She's got a great channel with her husband. I think I'm going to stand them up to start with.
Ugh, you're killing me.
No, sorry.
God.
So once I saw the recipe, I was like, oh, we have to make this. And I made it, and they're outstanding. Okay. Even though we're going to fill them, I'm going to go ahead and put them in. Oops, I got one little section. Okay. Just so they don't get dried out. I'm going to put them right in there. Okay. And I think I'll put the bag on top also. I do not want them to get dried out. Okay, then we're going to go to the stove. Okay, next we're going to cook the bacon. I've cut it into smaller pieces. Now I already used that half. Oh, better turn the pan on. So I've cut it, and it needs to be thick cut. There we go. All right, let's put our bacon in. I've cooked it to the way we like it. Oh, look at all the fat in the bottom that we're not going to eat. Here's our next step. We have our 6 eggs. Crack them into a bowl.
Break that baby.
I know some people break them on the counter. I've never had luck doing that. Usually it goes all over the place. Okay. In Jessica O'Donoghue's recipe, she added sour cream. Now you could certainly do that, or if you want more protein, you can add Greek yogurt. Now, I use this one. I like it a lot. Comes in a large container. But I love this one. It is more expensive, but it is delicious. So I'm going to add a dollop of that in the recipe. And it's just going to make, according to her, it makes the eggs more creamy. Hang on. There we go. Okay. So now I'm just going to whip them up. And I'm always looking to add more protein into our meals. Oh, let me not forget, because I forgot the first time, we want to add salt and pepper. Okay, of course there's salt in the bacon, so you might want to watch how much salt you add. How's that?
More.
Okay, I think that's enough, right?
I like pepper.
Yes, and I like salt. Okay,
I like it spicy, just like my woman.
Oh, funny guy.
Recording.
Okay. All right. Now we're ready to add our scrambled eggs.
Oh.
Okay, our eggs are ready. So I brought them over here to our buns, and we're going to start assembling. Okay, let's take the tops off, and we're going to spread the eggs. This is our American. And we got this from the deli, so thinly sliced. Okay, now our bacon. And you're just going to spread that around. Again, if you like your bacon less cooked, then do it that way. I mean, how could this recipe be bad, right? Cheese, eggs. Yeah. All right. This is Havarti. This is what Mark picked. And these are really big slices.
It's a nice flavorful cheese.
Yeah.
Very creamy in consistency.
Oh, that's perfect for this recipe. Yes, very large today.
It'll lock the bacon in.
Okay. We're going to stop right there, move on to the next step. Yes.
It's our pocket flask that we fill from this monster that we buy at Sugar Bush Farms every year.
It's much easier to lift.
Maple syrup. I'm going to keep it in the fridge.
Which one is big? Okay. Adding our butter. So we have 3 tablespoons of butter. Starting to melt on the plate. Come on now. Our 1/4 cup of maple syrup.
Grade A amber. Sugar Bush Farms, Vermont. I'll take care of that.
Okay. We're going to pour it. Ready? Be sure to use all of it. Okay, we got it all. All right, it's going to go into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. The oven's set at 350. We don't need to cover it.
Ready to use poppy seeds?
Yeah, but not till it comes out.
Okay.
And now we wait. The cheese is melting. Ah. Okay, now I'm going to top it with poppy seeds, but if you wanted to, you could also do toasted sesame seeds or even fresh parsley. All right, we're going to let this cool and then we're going to try it. Oh yeah, now we're going to eat the breakfast sliders.
This is a treat. Special story behind this. This is going to be a recipe that is going to be served to some friends of ours. I'm an amateur radio operator, and in the 3rd week of June each year we have Field Day, and where we all get together and for 24 hours we talk all over the world and all around the nation. Brigitta's going to cook with one of our other good friends, and this will be the breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
And
Yep.
we already tried this, and it is good.
It is decadent.
A little sticky.
Yeah, notice the shininess on the top.
Oh my God. The King's Hawaiian roll. The fluffy scrambled egg.
Yes,
The bacon.
yes.
The cheese pull.
Mm-hmm. Highly recommend this.
And the Vermont maple syrup.
Oh, yeah. Can't forget that.
Just a finger licker.
Mm-hmm. Oh, my gosh.
Wow.
Very good. Poppy seeds, I don't know. Might not be necessary.
They look pretty.
Yeah.
Just the right combination of salty and sweet with the bacon
Right.
and the...
Savory.
Oh, this is good.
Yes.
Thank you, Bridgetta. I'm
You're
sure that
welcome.
my fellow hamsters will enjoy this at breakfast on Saturday.
I think so too. Well, thanks so much for watching. We hope you make this recipe because it's delicious. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Don't forget new videos every Sunday. And the recipe's in the description box, so you want to get that for sure. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Many times over you, sleepless nights. What a crime, wasting my tears on a broken dream. Maybe I just can't forgive another mistake. Maybe I don't wanna feel this heartache. Every time you let me down, I get to thinking I don't even know why, even though I tried. Yeah, I don't know why I tried. I don't know why I tried. We should head back to our old place in the faraway town where I met you, baby. All those years pass, now I know you. How the times can change and I get a little down. Thinking about tomorrow, I get down. Thinking about tomorrow, I get down. Should we call it quits and let go? I have cried many times over you. Sleepless nights, what a crime, wasting my tears on a broken dream. Maybe I just can't forgive another mistake. Maybe I don't wanna feel this heartache. Every time you let me down, I get to thinking I don't even know why, even though I tried. Yeah, I don't know why I tried.